Friends, here I am showing you a video of launch of Space Shuttle Atlantis from the Kennedy Space Center, USA. This just for you to appreciate the contemporary control system after having presented of history of the control system. Now, when we look at the contemporary control system, you can see how the control systems have transformed into such gigantic and complex missions. So here we witness the launch of Space Shuttle Atlantis. So the countdown is nearing to its end. The last few seconds, the countdown, the control would be passed totally onto the Atlantis. The engines are getting on, they are firing rocket engines. And here it goes. So such a smooth launch. To give you some insight details, there is a high performance computing onboard computer inside the Atlantis, and there are 22 temperature sensors to measure the distribution of heat across the wings of the Atlantis shuttle. In addition to these 22 temperature sensors, which communicate in real time with the onboard computer and let all the data be accessed and seen by the crew for them to know on the status of the mission, the health of the mission. There are 66 accelerometers, motion sensors, each capable of taking 20,000 readings per second. And these accelerometers are there just to let the correct inclination of the shuttle, its speed, its velocity, altitude, and all coordinates, position details, which are fed to the onboard computer. And crew can know the flight is on its intended trajectory without any deviation. There are many sensors fitted in the fuel tank just to give the correct reading of the situation in the fuel tank. And if at all there is any leakage, a alert could be sounded, alarm could be sounded, and emergency could be tackled. Here you can see the rockets that were guiding the shuttle have separated from the main shuttle, and from here onwards, Atlantis will be on its own, in its journey towards International Space Station ISS, and will dock there and will participate in all scientific studies. So just to have some appreciation about the contemporary control system, I thought guys should have a brief look at the video. This is the launch from NASA. Now the another private company called SpaceX, you guys must have heard of it, have gone a step further. This SpaceX is a very ambitious company launched by high profile entrepreneur Elon Musk. They have totally changed the game of space exploration. What they have done is the rockets which you saw separated from the main mission, from the main shuttle, they normally would be burnt on its way towards while they enter in the Earth's atmosphere. Now SpaceX have got a technology that allows the rockets to be reused for no multiple space missions. The same rockets can take multiple shuttles into the space, and they can safely land back onto the ground. The landing point can be a land, or even a ship in the ocean. And SpaceX has achieved success in this technology of reusable rocket. So you can see that there is no stopping for advancement of science, and it's always no evolving, and no growing more. The technology that now has been brought by SpaceX allows to cut the budget, the cost of the space mission by almost 1/3. So you can imagine how much saving now this space launches would see once they use reusable rocket for all future space launch. I hope you guys appreciate know about the contemporary control system.